surprises! So in today's video, we are going to be making freeze-dried candy in our freeze dryer from Blue Alpine. So if you want to see how easy it is to make freeze-dried candy and maybe start a business, let's go spice things up.
All right, so I got these caramels and then I just cut them in half. And we're gonna put these in. These are caramel macchiato M&Ms. So we're gonna see if we can freeze dry these. I've heard chocolate is a little tricky and it doesn't always work, but with the caramel in it, it might. So I'm crossing my fingers. So I have 2 trays of that, 1 tray of the caramels, and then we'll see what Aiden wants to put in for the last 2 trays.
We decided to add a few more options of candy to the trays, like these nerd clusters that the company sent us. And then we added these little mini trolleys, and then of course these Laffy Taffy. And we just combined them with the other ones and for more candy options.
All right, let's check. Valve is at 90 degrees, which means it's closed. Recipes, candy, continue, continue, and yes. All right, let's see.
If you guys would like to purchase this freeze dryer, the link will be in the description box for a coupon code. I really appreciate it, and it really helps support our channel.
All right, the cycle is complete, and it is time to check out the candy and see how they turned out. As you can tell, some candy turns out a little different. Some candy turns out bigger. Some stays the same. As you can see, these nerd clusters look cool. And these trolley gummy worms, as you can tell, they have totally different shapes, even though they were the same size when we put them in. And then these turned out great as well.
So these are the trolley.
It's good.
That's yummy.
Awesome.
And there were many trolley too. They grew so big.
Okay, next.
And then the caramel.
Okay. Good?
Mm-hmm. The Nerds Gummy Cluster.
You have been wanting to try that, huh?
Mm-hmm. Laffy Taffy.
Is it making you laugh?
Uh-huh.
Good. And last but not least.
And then this is the M&M caramel.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
If you guys enjoyed this video and you would like to see more that have to do with freeze drying or any other recipes, go ahead and click that subscribe button, hit the like. Thank you guys so much. And of course, if you want to purchase this freeze dryer, link is in the description box below. Bye, and see you in the next video.